So I want to write these scripts for all of these 6 videos, and do you think I'm going to do this manually? No. I'm just going to do 2 clicks and automatically the video scripts for all of these 6 videos will be ready within seconds. I will just show you how. As you can see that this is my spreadsheet. Over here in my spreadsheet, I've entered the video details like the video topic, target audience, video goal, tone, video length and CTA. Now within seconds and in real time, these scripts for all of these videos will be generated and added right over here in this G column automatically without any manual intervention and within seconds and in real time. As you can see, one by one these scripts are getting generated and all are added right over here. So let me just show you all these scripts. As you can see, this is the first script and it is exactly like the details we mentioned right over here. As you can see, this is the next script, and like this we have successfully generated 6 scripts under a minute. And in this video I'll show you how you can also generate 100 plus YouTube scripts with AI for free. Yes, this is true. You can try this for free. So to do this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month. You can say you're going to get free trial of Pabbly Connect. This means that you can generate up to 100 of scripts for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that we have a special discount coupon code just for you which is going to get you the maximum amount of discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, which is RITYT. This discount coupon code will get you the maximum amount of discount in comparison towards the other coupon codes on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. But I will suggest you first try Pabbly Connect, and then if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan using this amazing discount coupon code. But this is a limited time offer, so if you like Pabbly Connect today, don't delay this. But first, let's see how this automation can be created. So for that, this is the most important window, and without getting into technical things, let's just see how this automation can be created without knowing any programming or coding language. You just have to click on this add trigger button for the trigger application selected as Google Sheets. For the event selected as new or updated spreadsheet row, and click on this connect. You're going to receive the webhook URL. Just copy the webhook URL, open your Google Sheets in which you want to add these scripts. So let me just delete all these scripts which are generated previously because I'm just going to do it again. Now go on this extensions. So now you have to go on this add-ons and then towards this get add-ons. Now you have to add an extension in this spreadsheet which is named Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So go on this search apps and search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So I'm just going to do the same, and as you can see, you have to install this extension. Once you install this extension, automatically you're going to see the option of this Pabbly Connect Webhooks in this extensions tab, but you have to make sure that you refresh your spreadsheet if you don't see it. It is very important that you refresh the spreadsheet, otherwise you may not view this option. Once you view this option, go on this Pabbly Connect Webhooks and then initial setup. After you come on this initial setup, it is going to ask you for the sheet, the webhook URL and the trigger column. So simply paste the webhook URL which you copied from the workflow and enter the trigger column right over here. So as you can see, I've successfully pasted the webhook URL, and over here for the trigger column, I've kept it as F. So why F? Because I want to send these 6 details towards my workflows using which it is going to generate me the script. If you want to send 5 details, your trigger column will be E. If you want to send 4 details, it will be D, and so on. It totally depends upon you and your own spreadsheet. After you enter both of these details, just click on this button which says submit, and it is going to say setup configured successfully. This means that we have created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect right over here, but it is still saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, just go back towards your sheets and click on this send test. It is saying test data sent successfully. It has sent this first row as the test data towards our workflow, and as you can see, Pabbly has captured the response for the same. Now we're just going to generate the script for this, and then we're just going to move on further and see how the scripts of all the videos can be generated in just 2 clicks. So for that, it is very important that you watch this tutorial till the end. Just click on this add new action step. For the action application, I'm just going to use Gemini in order to generate the video scripts. You can use ChatGPT, Claude, any another application of your own choice. So I just have to choose it. For the event, I'm just going to select it as generate generate content and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Gemini and Pabbly Connect, then click on the select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection, and it is asking for the API key. So to get this API key, just go on this Google AI Studio. Once you come on this Google AI Studio, you're going to find on the left hand of the site is this get API key section. So go on this and then click on this create API key button. Just name your key, select the project and click on this create key button. Your key will be created. Now you just have to copy the key once the key is created and then paste it right over here in your workflow like this. And once you paste the key and click on this save, your Google AI Studio, which is Gemini, will be connected with Pabbly Connect. I've already created this connection, so I'm just going to go on the select existing connection and then save. After creating this connection, it is asking for the text, which is the prompt using which we are just going to move on further and generate the script. So in order to enter this prompt, I've already entered it right over here in my previous workflow, so I'm just going to copy and paste it. If you also want this amazing prompt, what you have to do is you just have to comment prompt and my team is going to share you this amazing prompt. What you can do is you can simply generate the video scripts using this amazing prompt yourself. Okay, so let me just correct the formatting of this prompt first, and then we're just going to move on further and enter the video details right over here in order to generate the script using the same video details. Till then, I'll just let you know that we are not going to enter the video details manually by typing it like we're doing for the rest of the prompt, but instead we are just going to map the video details. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So one by one, I'm just going to map all the details of the video script. First of all, let me just correct the formatting of this prompt, and now let me just move on further and map the details. In order to map these details, you have to put a slash, then search for the details and map it like this. So I'm just going to put a slash, search for the details and map it like this one by one. So let's say I'm just going to map the tone, so I'm just going to put a slash, search for the tone and map the tone. Same goes for the video length and same goes for the call to action. Now after mapping all of these details, let's just move on further. You can choose the model of your choice. For the method, I'm just going to keep it as generate content, and then I'm just going to click on the save and send test request button. Once we're going to click on the save and send test request button using this prompt, it is going to generate us the YouTube script automatically without any manual intervention, and the script will be full of SEO keywords so that we can gain good engagement on our YouTube channel. So let me just wait till it is taking few seconds in order to generate us the perfect script. And as you can see, we have received the response, and over here is our script. Now what we're just going to do is we're just going to simply add the script in our Google Sheets. So for that, let's just click on this add new action step. For the action application, select it as Google Sheets. For the event, select it as update cell value, and then move on further and click on this connect. Now if you've already created the connection, go on the select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, click on this add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to build the connection. Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions, so give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for, because your data is 100% safe. With us, no need to worry. Now Google Sheets is connected with Pabbly Connect, so we just have to select the spreadsheet and the sheet right over here and then enter the range and the value. So what is this range? Over here we need to enter the range of the sheet that needs to be updated, which is column name and row index. So this is my range, which is G2, so I'm just going to enter G2 right over here, but right now it is G2. With every new response, it will change. It will be G3, G4, G5, G6, G7 and so on. So what we have to do is, as you can notice, this G will remain same, right? Only this row is going to change. So we're just going to keep G as static, and in order to keep this row as dynamic, we have to put a slash and then search for row index and simply map the row index. For the value, just put a slash, simply map the Gemini script generated and click on this save and send test request button. It is saying that we have successfully added this in our spreadsheet. So let me just open my spreadsheet and you can see it is added right over here. Now we have learned how to generate the script and add it right over here. But how can we generate 100 plus scripts and add right over here in our spreadsheet like I showed in the starting of this video? So what you have to do is go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and click on this send all data. All of this data will be sent towards your workflow. Gemini is going to generate the script for all of the data and add it back again right over here into your spreadsheet within seconds and in real time. And apart from that, if you want that whenever you add the new video details, the script for the same should also be generated, then you have to go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and make sure to switch on this button which is send on event. As you can see, the scripts are generating and adding right over here. And yes, this is a magic. This is the power of automation which we created right now. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, and while trying, if you have any doubts, just drop them in the comment section below. My team will help you out. Apart from that, the workflow URL and the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. Once again, I'm just going to repeat, this discount coupon code is available for a limited period of time only, so test it. But over here, I'll just suggest you, right now we're offering the maximum discount, so if you're planning to purchase, don't delay. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.